Bats are very special animals. They are mammals, not birds. Bat wings look like human hands, but their fingers are very long. Among mammals, only bats can fly. Some types of bats are very big, and some are small. Bigger bats live in warm climates. They eat fruit and nectar. The biggest bats have wingspans of 2 meters. Smaller bats live both in warm and cooler climates. They eat mostly insects. The smallest bats have wingspans of only 15 centimeters, and they are as light as a coin. Bats often live with many other bats. They live in dark places like caves, trees, and buildings. They sleep during the day and they find food at night. Bats can hear well. They make special sounds. These sounds hit objects and bounce back. This way, bats can fly in the dark and find food. People cannot hear the sounds. Some bats live more than 30 years. Mother bats can have only one baby every year. As birds, baby bats have no hair, drinking their mother's milk. After 6 months, most baby bats can fly. About 70% of bats eat only insects. One bat can eat as many as 1,000 insects in an hour. Other bats eat fruit and nectar. A few bats eat fish and frogs. These days, bat houses are popular in America. People build small houses and bats live in them. At night, the bats leave the houses. Then people can watch the bats find food. Bats can help us too. Harmful insects eat crops, and bats eat these insects. Bats also eat fruit and seeds. Then they drop the seeds. New plants and trees go for these seeds. Some people don't like bats. They're scary. They drink human blood. Some people say, but this isn't true. Bats don't hurt us. You should be nice to them. They are our friends.